Hello students, how are you? Hope you are enjoying your online studies. Students, we have done present indefinite tense and today we are going to do past indefinite tense. Past indefinite and past simple. They both are same. Don't get confused in this, okay? Past indefinite और past simple ये एक ही चीज होती है. First of all, we will see that it's we can say identification कि इसकी पहचान क्या होती है. अगर हम हिंदी की बात करें आ ई ए, हिंदी में इसकी पहचान क्या होती है. सेंटेंस के लास्ट में क्या होगा. आ ई ए. वो बाजार गया, हमने खाना खाया, ठीक है, हम घूमने गए. तो ये क्या है. पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस की हिंदी में पहचान. ओके, नाउ वी विल मूव टू आवर टॉपिक इन इंग्लिश. So the action we did in past, कोई भी action that we did in past is included in past indefinite tense. ठीक है. अब इसके keywords क्या होते हैं, हमें पहचान कैसे होती है that we are going to use here past indefinite tense. Keywords: yesterday, last night. These are the keywords. With the help of these keywords, we can come to know that the action happened in past. We came to know the action happened in past. Now let's discuss structure of past indefinite tense. कि past indefinite tense की structure होती कैसे है. First of all, affirmative. We write sentences in three ways. In three ways we can write our sentence: affirmative, negative and interrogative. First of all, we will discuss affirmative. We will write first of all subject, then second form of verb and then object. We know very well that subject come in the beginning and object come at the last. But we have to focus on verb. In past indefinite tense, we always use second form of verb. Okay, we always use second form of verb. Okay, next comes negative. Now what we do in negative? We always use not. Negative में हम क्या करते हैं, हम नोट लगाते हैं. And where we use not? We use not always after helping verb. कहाँ यूज करते हैं हम नोट? After helping verb. But in this structure we are not having any helping verb. इस स्ट्रक्चर में हमारे पास कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं है. Then what we will do, we will place a helping verb from our side. तो past indefinite tense में we use helping verb did. Subject plus did plus not. This helping verb we have used to make it negative. Second form of do. Do, did, done. Okay. Now comes the form of verb. अब देखो बेटा, we have placed here did, and now we have to be very careful that we will not use here verb second form. That will be absolutely wrong. We will use here first form of verb, because did itself is a past form and it represents the past action. So we will not use here first second form again, क्योंकि जो did है वो अपने आप में ही past है. ठीक है, तो हम बार बार पास्ट यूज नहीं करेंगे. हम यहाँ पे वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म नहीं लगाएंगे. वी विल ओनली प्लेस ओवर डिड ओवर हियर एंड आफ्टर दैट फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ओवर हियर एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट, फुल स्टॉप. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम्स द इंटेरोगेटिव. अब हम इंटेरोगेटिव में क्या करते हैं? वी प्लेस हेल्पिंग वर्ब एट द फर्स्ट पोजिशन. हेल्पिंग वर्ब हम कहाँ लगाते हैं? सबसे पहले, फर्स्ट पोजिशन पे. ठीक है, एंड what helping verb we were having in past indefinite? Helping verb is did. So first letter will be in capital. Did plus subject plus first form of verb and then object. After that question mark. Okay, because it's interrogative we will use sign of question mark. Okay, so this is the structure of interrogative. This is negative and this is affirmative. Let's do some examples. he dash his project yesterday. Option is complete. Then what we will do? We are having verb complete. We have to put it over here. तो क्या आएगा? He completed. Second form of verb. He completed his project yesterday. Suppose this sentence is in negative. आपको ऐसे दिया हुआ है, not complete. ठीक है? Then what we will do? We will write here. He did not complete. Okay? If the same sentence is in interrogative, the same sentence we are having in interrogative form, the verb complete we have to fill over here. Then what we will do? Did he complete his project yesterday? So I hope past indefinite tense is clear to you. Thank you.